headed to Yuma, Arizona to go pick up two chassis for a garbage truck. I delivered these before about a month ago up there to Minnesota. That's where I'm headed to. It's Dodge Center, Minnesota. And I was supposed to take a 34-hour reset after getting some things done in Albuquerque, but they really need me to get this load, as there's not many drivers in our company in the area, and that's the real important customer we must take care of. So before I go, the 34-hour reset, run off recaps, try to get up there by Monday. I'll try and remember to film the loading process. It's pretty interesting how they load these chassis on the trailer. And I gotta secure things, and so hopefully I can remember to bring my phone out tomorrow and get the film for you guys so you guys can see that. And I'll try to do the filming along the way up to Minnesota and the unloading process, which I find really interesting, and how they make a garbage truck. So, all right, you guys have a good day. Well, it's 6:30. I'm on the other side of Casa Grande, Arizona, about 160 miles away from Yuma, where I'm picking up these chassis. The sun has come up. I've got more coffee. Hot diggity dang. So, let me show you what the desert looks like. Springtime in the morning. Beautiful out here. Got the sun coming up in the mirror. Just nice and green out here in the desert. Alright, I'll get back to you. Well, I'm here in Yuma, Arizona. Getting ready to take the exit off of this I-8 to the facility where I got a load at. Got one of these RVers. Just gotta have patience, basically. Alrighty, finally I made it to the exit. Just that better. There's a Marine Air Base over here. Last time I was here loading, they had F-22 Raptors out. Man, those guys were loud. But it was awesome seeing them. I'm going to pick up two chassis. Total weight's going to be 40,000 pounds. Repave your roads, people. It is bumpy. A lot of produce growing in this area, believe it or not. And okay, so we got some other cranes here. So pull off to the side here. Hopefully I don't block anything. Alright, I'll get back at ya. Well, hey, I'm here in Yuma, Arizona at Rush Truck Centers. Getting loaded now. So, as you can see, got backed in next to the crane. And getting turned around. And we get a blind side in. So right now this is what we're loading here is these two units here. He's taking the front wheels off for this. And then we're going to set it up on the top deck. And then the other one will be sitting where the tail end of that there will be sitting on top of that. So, alrighty, get back to you. Should film in landscape mode, maybe capture the whole moment. As you can see, it's off the air. There's a 20,000 pound truck. From a different angle. Little bit of a swing. Little bit of a swing. It's got to steady it somewhat. Come up just a little bit further. And we got touchdown on the front. That sucker on the straight. Alright, while they're prepping this one here, I'm going to go ahead and give them the thumbs up. Now I'll go ahead and wrap the front axle. Get back to you. Alright, now they're getting ready to do the second truck. I already got the axles on the first one secured. Notice that board right there. I'm going to point that out to you later in the video. Precision movement orchestration. Getting these things on. Dangerous job what I do. You know, someone screws up at another job. At the worst, you know, someone can get hurt. But what I do is I have an accident, someone's getting killed. So we got to be sure what we do is correct. The truck jumps over the truck. It must be the Dukes of Hazzard. Yeehaw! Sorry. Sometimes my squirrel mind goes to pieces. Let's see if I can adjust the zoom. Nope, can't do that. Got to be precise on there, or I could have problems later on down the road. I'll get back to you. All right. So I'm out here on the street. We went ahead and got loaded. I went ahead and strapped stuff down. I'm going to do one more walk around. It's pretty warm here in Yuma. It's got to be about 78, 80 degrees. So I'll show you how I secured this here, okay? Now, even though I'm not oversized, landscape mode, Gil. Even though I'm not oversized, I'll still put red flags in the back, just to get people's attention. I'm going to walk down the passenger side instead of the driver's side because of traffic. See, it's got space, not touching the tires, wrapped around the axle. Got a chain over it. One side I put a bungee there so it doesn't spin on me as I'm going down the road. 2 chains with a separator in the middle, so metal don't touch metal. DOT doesn't like that. Okay, remember that board I showed you earlier? This is why I put the strap here, okay? It's because of that board. I don't want it shimmying back and forth as I'm going down the road and fall into someone's windshield. So I put the strap there to put pressure on the back axle. Alrighty. And I got the 2 front tires here. I went and made an X pattern for that so they don't shift. And then I got the front axles. Got a nice and tight. A little bit of space. Let's hope the AC cooled the truck down, man. I'm getting warm. I'll get back to you. Alrighty then. Just legal load. Weight wise. So I got all the paperwork together. It's fucking warm out, man. My dash temperature gauge says it's 90. But I checked the weather app and it says it's 89, so man, degrees difference. Okay, well, let's get on the big road. Like my mom used to sing before she passed away, God bless. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Yeah, this is why I don't sing here. Okay. If I had to carry a tune in the bucket, by the time they got there with the turtles milk. Alright. Kind of tired being up at 3:30 in the morning and driving here and being here all the time. Big stations. Lemon squeezy, that's a easy. Lemon squeezy. Kind of top heavy load, you know. I don't know whether to do this video all in loading and unloading process in one big take, or just do two separate videos, part one and part two. I think for a time, I might do it in two parts. Loading in one part, unloading in another. Let me in, let me in. I got bigger tires than you do. I'll push that into the car. This truck hates heavy loads. She bogs down. I think the DEF probably inhibiting a lot of horsepower. Torque these trucks are supposed to have. However, before DEF, trucks would run up a hill. You get those old 90 series, 1990 through 95 Freightliner FLD 120s. You get a Detroit 60 in it with twin turbos. Hear those turbos kick in, man. You can wind up running up and down Ashland or Grapevine doing 40 miles an hour. You only scratched maybe 2 gears. Well, it is 11:30, so a lot of tourists come through here, so we have traffic in Yuma, Arizona. I'll have to think of that one movie from National Lampoon, Vegas Vacation, where Rusty has his fake ID. He says, yes, me and my wife are quite happy in Yuma. So, alright, enough of that. Alrighty, I'm here at the Flying J in Casa Grande, Arizona. Went ahead and stopped and fueled the truck up. I do that in the morning when I get up. You know, there's always one guy who parks up really close. He's too damn lazy to walk up to the store. You know, just wow. So, kind of an empty lot today, but empty or not, I'm going to position myself, because that's a secret that I'm going to let you guys in on, that I've learned over the years of driving. Position yourself so you don't have to fight the other guy to get out of the truck stuff. Because I'll guarantee you, by 6:30, 7 o'clock, this place will start filling up. By 9, you're not going to have a free spot. You're going to have to pay for parking. And anywhere from $20 to $30 depending on what town you're in. And it's just ridiculous. You know, if you're going to spend that money on parking, the truck stop's going to charge you for parking. They should at least take care of the parking lot. It's like this area here in the middle that I'm driving in. Even though it doesn't have lines, I'll guarantee you guys will park there. They will line up and park about anywhere they can get a truck in. Now, a lot of people have a misconception about truck stops. A truck stop gives a parking lot for courtesy. I'm kicking up a lot of dust. It's a courtesy that the truck stop gives you parking. They don't have to give you parking. They can just offer you fuel services and, you know, central services like fucking food and stuff. Sorry about my language. I'm tired of pooping. But they don't have to give you parking. They give you parking as a courtesy. Alright. Get back in here. I'm not one of those guys, I don't pull ahead into a parking stall. I think it's ridiculous to do so. Because now you gotta fight to get out. I don't think so. I don't think so. Give you guys a view of what I'm looking at in the mirror. Got to look close there, Gil. Pay attention. Got my four ways on. You always want to put your four ways on when you back up. You know, it's called communication. A lot of guys I see nowadays don't communicate that way. They just back up and expect to, you know, you to be the hell out of their way. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Alrighty, done for the day. I'll get back to you.